Welcome to Urdu online channel. Question: what is the number of wives of Holy Prophet peace be upon him? Answer: 11 wives of Prophet Muhammad. Question: what did Hazrat Noah peace be upon him do? Answer: carpenter work. Question: who was the first person to sneeze in the world? Answer: Hazrat Ibrahim peace be upon him. Question: which prophet of God will kill Dajjal? Answer: Hazrat Isa peace be upon him. Question: what was the profession of Hazrat Ibrahim peace be upon him? Answer: agricultural work. Question: who are the archangel of the angels? Answer: Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam. Question: which prophet will be the last to enter paradise? Answer: Hazrat Sulaiman peace be upon him. Question: how many ranks will there be in total for those who entered paradise? Answer: 120 ranks. Question: what is the name of first wife of Holy Muhammad peace be upon him? Answer: Hazrat Khadija radiyallahu anha. Question: who was the fourth Caliph of Islam? Answer: Hazrat Ali alayhi salam. Question: which surah is called the heart of Holy Quran? Answer: Surah Yasin. Question: how many paras are there in Holy Quran? Answer: 30 paras in Holy Quran. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe for more videos and comment how many answers you gave correctly under the video. Thank you once again for watching this video and supporting us. Stay blessed.